Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I hope you are as ready as I'm to start learning and have fun. We're this together, so let's respect and support each other. Before I start the explanation of this video, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Iklimah Rahmatunisa Hepni. You can call me Iklimah or Ima. Class of 2019, 5E PGSD. In this video, I will tell you a story, the legend about the village of Hampang Datu that happened in South Kalimantan. So, let's get started. Hampang Datu. In ancient times, there was a village in South Kalimantan named Padang Batung Village. The livelihood of the people is farming. The agricultural products they get are quite abundant. To be grateful for the blessing that God has given them. Once a year, after each harvest, they always hold a big party as part of the Manyanggar Banua, or village cleansing. Each family in the village prepare various food and drink for them to eat together. Once upon a time, in one of the resident houses, a strange event occurred. Toward dawn, a number of fish and cake that have been cooked disappeared from the storage area. The remaining chili sauce seemed to be scattered in the kitchen room. Two large pots of prepared venison were also left with nothing. All family members in the house were awake. Upon questioning, none of the family members had touched the food before. Toward morning, in the neighbor house heard noise. Apparently, they also experienced a similar incident. The villagers were furious. In other years, they had performed the Banua ceremony. This was the first time they had experienced such an event. At first, every citizen was suspicious of one another. However, in the end, their suspicion became unfounded because they experienced the same event. For the reason, the village head and village elder gathered all of their citizens to hold a deliberation of the village hall. They deliberated and finally decided the residents to keep a night watch in the village center. Meanwhile, the Banua ceremony was postponed until tomorrow. Toward evening, all the villagers set up war posts in the corner of the village to block the intruder. Mothers are busy cooking what is in the kitchen. The night was getting light. After all the food was cooked, they rest. Toward dawn, suddenly the mother rushed out of the house. They again experienced the same event as the previous morning. The villagers were in a uproar again. All residents gathered in front of the village head house. Those on guard at the post said they did not see any suspicious creature entering their village. Then the residents also intend to trap the thief. Residents feel the thief is not a human, but a supernatural being. Residents put great coconut into basket of rumpung with holes perforated at the bottom. The next morning, the same thing happened again. However, on the road there are scattered grated coconut that fall from the trap that have been made. The people follow in the footsteps. They arrived at the mouth of the cave outside the village. They were sure that the thief was inside. Perhaps the thief of our offering is a supernatural being who is said to be the Datu-Datu guardian of our environment. Maybe we neglect to protect the environment, said the village elder. So that the Datu who inhabit this cave don't disturb us anymore, I asked Dang Sanak to make a hampang, which is to close this cave by plugging our stem, then close the cave tightly, explained the village elder. All residents agree with the proposal. After that, they immediately gather our stem, then plugged them into a hampang to cover the mouth of the cave. Black stones were rolled to the mouth of the cave, then filled with earth. So were the supernatural creature in the cave. The village of Padang Batung is again safe and peaceful. Since then, the creature has never again come to disturb the place of the resident. To commemorate the frightening event that ever took place by the local community, the place was named Hampang Datu. So that the legend story from South Kalimantan entitled Hampang Datu. I hope you enjoy listening to it when I tell you the story. See you in my other story.